What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today we're going to put to the test 10 more pretty cool gadgets I found on Amazon. Let's see what I got this time. I got it here, Separator. It actually takes apart pretty easily, but a lot of people ask me how to wash it. Just soap and water, spray on soap and water would be easy. So one for yolks, one for egg whites. We're gonna separate egg whites sometimes for cooking or the yolks, depends on the recipe. How does this work? We're gonna grab an egg. I need an egg cracker. Let's start. Smash it. Try not to drop. Oh! What am I doing? Well, you know, user error. The gadget will never work if you don't actually use it right. I'm like the worst gadget reviewer, that's the thing. Alright, egg number 2. Okay, will it work? Alright, I see some egg going in. Okay, from now on I'm gonna crack an egg on a table, then put it in here. Alright, now I'm kind of figuring this out. Also, it's adjustable for different sizes of the egg, and you don't have to wait, you can just go one at a time. And as you can see, it's separating good, and the other yolk will push through the rest of the yolks. Definitely takes a little bit practice. Looks like the egg whites are still clean, even though I moved it out of the way quickly. I could use this spatula to push the rest of the egg whites in. Look at that. It's doing good, and look how fast I'm separating it. Okay, I'm gonna go on speed. I'm hoping I'm not gonna mess it up. Now that I feel like I was hesitating, that's why I was messing up actually even more. But now it's set up. Look how it works, how good it works. A little help maybe. Boom. Wow. Tell me this is not fast. That is incredible. I love it. Where's that last egg? Boom. That's it. So just takes a little bit practice. We got that here. Egg yolks. We got that here, egg whites. Where's my spatula thing? And then just grab it and push out the spatula. It actually comes with it. I got a different one. And how to clean it. Let's go clean it. A lot of people was saying that would be really hard to clean. All we can do is use this spray soap. And it's a really good soap. I gotta spray the table anyway. And hot water, really hot water. I don't have to put it in dishwasher. It does take apart into pieces, but hot water, nobody ate out of it, so there's no germs like, you know, human bodily fluids on it. All it is just egg, and just rinse it off really well. Soap it 2-3 times, and that way it will get clean just like a table. I have a new Japanese gadget right here, and it's for the carton. So it comes with the cover just like that. Many of the cartons do not come with the lids, so let's try it out. It looks like this is expired. So wow, okay, and now what? Was the instruction clear enough? I think it said twist a little bit. Oh yeah, definitely twisted a little bit and done now. Okay, there goes nothing. Open that, and yeah, it works really well. It's pouring down very well. Okay, that's cool. Go open a little bit, no problem. And if you're going to close it, lock it, will it pour it out? Oh wow, this one is not even closed all the way. There you go. Wow, it's holding. I mean, there's no way I'm gonna be holding upside down. I do see a little bit of leakage. I don't know if I need to be twisted it more. There you go, twist it more. Boom. Not much at all. So it's sealed really good, and it pours it really well. I like that gadget. Obviously, if you use cartons without the lid, that might help a lot, especially these ones with broths. A lot of them don't come with those plastic lids. You might want to use that, because if you're only using half a carton, you seal it back up. I found new pretty cool gadget right here. Butter X, whatever it's called. There's a name for it. So there's a magnet. It looks like a little beetle from both sides, and yeah, it's pretty fidgety first of all, and we have a really nice pry bar, sharp enough to cut to a tape and pry something open, even pull a nail looks like. And we have right here bottle opener, but most important, doesn't take too much space, and also very fidgety. So yeah, there's one magnet right here, one here. I think they should have doubled up on magnets from both sides, so it would be a bit stronger. Maybe they wanted to just make it a bit more fidgety, who knows. But yeah, very cool, I love it. How about this one? I think a lot of you are going to like this. This Knavs designed a $6 keychain knife. Can you believe it? They only charge $6 for it. This is incredible. It's, I think it says One Design. Beautiful, very famous designer. And all it is a buck lock. I got it here, straight line revolve. This is so cool. Check this out. It's a bead driver with the drum right here. Lift it up. The drum is removable. It's on the magnets. Check this out. Plug it back in. All this different type of bits. Lock it back up and then line it up with this. Right now it would be right here locked. There's a bolt action. Nothing works. And then if I line it up with this side here, it will pull out the bit, and it has this really nice spinnable drum, or whatever you want to call this. Beautiful. And then just pull it back in, and it has names on it. Yes, they are definitely numbered, or at least you could number it. There's a different one, and it comes with the different bits, or like I could get a second drum and have a different set of bits, quickly replace it so I don't have to do it one at a time. But yeah, it's incredible. I love innovations. Oh, locked. This is one of a kind for sure. Have I showed it to you guys? I feel so many gadgets I forget, but this one is like worth showing like a million times because it's most advanced bit driver. I discovered a new flashlight company. Let's open it up. Comes with all this charging cords and stuff. Phoenix. It was at the Blade Show, so very unique little flashlight. I don't like that it doesn't have a cover, so all the dirt and dust will get in there. My iPhone always breaks because it doesn't close. But yeah, removable clip. Looks like there's laser over there, and I love that right here. I think this will indicate that it's kind of like that way you don't lose it and stuff. And it's different colors. It's so bright and will last for a long time. You can change it, different colors, so at night time you know where it is. Or you can make it blinking, press and hold, press, change the moods. Then right here we have black light, I guess, and then a laser right here. This is not a new concept for the flashlight, but the size of it is actually pretty nice. Got to meet Winterblade, and man, Winterblade has some of the coolest knives. Check this out. So there's a pull right here, and it feels like it's impossible to pull because it's a magnet holding it together. But once you figure it out, that perfect way of pulling it, it's easy. But in my opinion also, this side here kind of like too sharp, and after playing it for a few days, I would remove it completely. I wouldn't use it because I kind of like it with my left hand right here. It doesn't hurt. It is very, very easy to open it and close it without that thumb stud. So left or right hand. So almost like I wish that thing was not here, because it's like in a way almost, and it hurts. You see my thumb eating into it, but right here, let's see, there you go. It doesn't hurt. Well, kind of a little bit, but I'm just saying, super unique little mechanism. You see, it has right here like a kicking station, and looks like you cannot open it by hand. Interesting. You'd have to really kick this out to let the knife be kicked out. and there's 2 magnets on the inside. Super cool. I really like that. He makes a lot of cool knives. I don't think this one in production yet. It was only at the blade show. And this one is $350. This thing is epic. Exo-D. Let's open it up, see what it's all about. So nice. There's a button. It's locked. So there's unlocked. Oh wait, it's not. It wasn't locked. Boom. Kinda have to have a better motion. And now it's locked. Well, have to be locked all the way. Now it's locked. So the bottom is locked up. Beautiful carbonite here. Carbon fiber. Unlock. Boom. That's hilarious. This is so unique. That's a knife you do not hand to people. Ooh, look what I discovered down here. It comes with one of these knife holders. That is cool. So really nice and safe in there. I got it here, a Kershaw lock and plier multi-tool. What do I mean by that? Look at that. Check this out. And I can lock it in onto something and adjust it something bigger. For example, let's lock it in on a rope. Boom, lock it, and I can even lock it here. And it's adjusted here. This is so cool. This is one of the first locking multi-tool you can get. And you see I can adjust it, let it go, and make it looser. Super cool. Okay, what else we have here? There's a whole bunch of other things, like a can opener. There's other tools, screwdriver. Looks like a saw. That's cool. And what's that here? Ooh, this is very easy to open. I like that. So if lock in like this, and I need to, what? It is has some kind of almost assist to it. Wow. There's definitely tensioned well. That is incredible. So what is this right here? It says push up. Okay, let's try it out to figure it out what it is. Oh, okay, it's to release it. Okay, let's see. Let's lock it up again. Look, you see I can adjust this and open, make it bigger for the mouth if I want to bite into something smaller or bigger. Okay, adjust it. Let's lock into something really tight, and then if I push this, oh, it will untighten it. That is so cool. So if something gripped in really tight, I can push this to release it. I love that. Very cool multi-tool. I still have a passion for high quality knife. I had to step away from it a little bit, but look at this. This is so nice. How do you call it? Drop point. Look at the button. And the best part is copper and carbon fiber together, looks like to me. I don't know. Titanium. Look at that bottom slide thing. So smooth. Oh man. So I could use it this way. Thumb stud. Let's see if I could do that. I haven't done that in a while. There you go. Left hand, don't matter. Kind of like, yeah, liner lock or frame lock. Kind of in between, halfway hides away. Beautiful. But yeah, what's made out of? M290 and Emity. I love it. This is definitely goes with like a weekend carrier. I wouldn't be chopping anything with it. Oh wow, I could even open it from the top. Million ways to open it seems to be. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments below what do you think. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time.